Introducing Fractalworks Twin Dragon, industrial-grade independent dual extruder 3D printer. Designed for professionals and industries, the Twin Dragon comes with a massive build volume of up to 600 by 600 by 400 millimeters, ideal for high-quality functional prototyping and production. With IDEX technology, dual material printing allows you to use a primary material for your model and a secondary soluble support material, like PVA. Once the print is complete, the support material dissolves in water, leaving behind a clean, flawless surface. Even for complex overhangs, internal cavities, and moving assemblies that would be impossible with traditional supports. Add creativity to your prints with multicolor capability, combining two filaments to produce vibrant, dual-color models without any manual swapping. Print two mirrored parts simultaneously, perfect for components like left and right assemblies, cutting your print time in half for paired designs. Duplication Mode prints two of the same part at once, doubling your output without extra effort. This mode prints multiple parts fast and simultaneously. Dual material printing lets you combine two materials with different properties in a single part, giving you strength and flexibility where it matters. Print with speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, with nozzle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius and bed temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. Whether it's PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PC, or advanced CF nylon composites, Twin Dragon handles them all. What really sets the Twin Dragon apart is its ability to print engineering-grade materials reliably. That's what makes it a true industrial-grade 3D printer. Take FRABS for instance. It's UL94V0 certified, which means it's flame retardant, perfect for high-performance automotive applications or any environment where safety and durability matter. Then there's Nylon 12 carbon fiber. It combines the toughness of nylon with the rigidity of carbon fiber. That balance of strength and lightness makes it ideal for manufacturing tools, jigs, and fixtures, as well as parts where the strength-to-weight ratio is critical, like in drones or aerospace components. And when you move to PC and PCCF blends, you're unlocking serious heat resistance. With heat deflection temperatures reaching up to 120 degrees Celsius, you can trust your parts to perform even in high-temperature environments. These materials, and many more, take 3D printing far beyond just prototyping. Twin Dragon 3D printer is equipped with a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen. Equipped with multiple connectivity options like USB port, lets you print files directly from a flash drive. Wi-Fi enables wireless file uploads, Ethernet support for network printing. Features like filament runout detection and a fully enclosed passive heated chamber make it a reliable addition to your workflow. Powered by Fractal, our intelligent slicing software designed for professional workflows. Simply import your 3D model, select from optimized material profiles, and fine-tune speed, temperature, and support settings in seconds. Fractal automatically generates precise toolpaths for IDEX features. With one-click export to USB, your ideas move from design to print effortlessly. Stay in control from anywhere with live monitoring. Monitor live prints via webcam feed, track temperatures and progress, and send G-code commands in real time. Multiple size variants like TD300, TD400, and TD600 offer flexibility based on your application needs. Whether you're prototyping for aerospace, creating jigs for assembly lines, or pushing research in material science, Twin Dragon helps bring ideas to life. Backed by over a decade of 3D printing excellence, Fractalworks offers world-class technical support, learning resources, and application engineering. Because with Fractal, you're never printing alone. Visit fractal.in to learn more and book your demo of the Twin Dragon today.